Hi everyone, just a bit of news. We've won the Queen's Award, not just once or twice, but this is a hat trick, so some fantastic news, and I just want to make a big thank you to everyone in the ASAFE family. So that's everyone in our factory, in all our departments and in the offices, whether that's the finance, the digital, the marketing, sales, etc., and also globally around the offices around the whole world. So everyone in the ASAFE family, big thank you for all your hard work and all your dedication. This is a great achievement and great recognition with this award. Thank you. For those of you who don't know ASAFE, we're all about solving our customers' problems or getting inspiration from our customers to solve their problems and come up with new solutions, all in the industrial workplace, and creating, well, what our aim is to create the safest and most advanced workplaces in the world. So, and how do we do that? We do that with our full manufacturing facility, from extrusion, injection molding, rotational molding, casting of polymers, but that all starts way back as well in the design area, so the research and development and the designers who come up with new ideas from our customers' problems, and then we create the products, we test them, manufacture them, and then fit out them globally. This growth, it will allow new opportunities for people to really grow and develop. So we really want to carry on growing, carry on developing. The company will in turn will allow everyone the opportunity to grow and develop themselves. A big thank you to everyone here at ASAFE.